Sarcasm does hurt people. It cuts emotional flesh. And allow me to be transparent. Of course, we all are guilty from time to time of engaging in sarcasm. Let me give you an example from my life where I was guilty. So Ina, my wife, and I got married and lived in the suburbs of New Jersey. Ina grew up in Ukraine and does not drive a car. It's very normal over there. Public transportation's easy to get to, and it's very cheap. And she's always used these little vans called marshuka taxis. They're just little vans, and they're really efficient and fast, and it's easy to get around. But living in the suburbs of New Jersey, obviously you need a car. So we went and got a book in Russian. A New Jersey Department of Motor Vehicles book comes in Russian. She studied the book, but she was reluctant to go take the test. Now, what would happen would be I would come home from work on a long, hard day, and she would be bored and want to go to the mall. I mean, wouldn't you? She was bored, so we would go to the mall. But I didn't want to go to the mall. I was really tired. And I said, Ina, listen, if you want to live in the suburbs, you're going to have to learn how to drive. So she went and got the book, but she wouldn't take the test. And one night after work, we were going to a mall, and I was tired, angry, disappointed, and was buffeting her with sarcasm on the way to the mall as I drove. By the time we got to the store, she was crying. Wasn't my intent, but sarcasm cuts emotional flesh, and I was not owning my disappointment. I wasn't owning my anger or what other emotion I had, but I was upset, and I did not own that. So that's why sarcasm's bad. I would take it out of my culture. I wouldn't allow it. Do not allow sarcasm in your culture. Hey, I hope this helped you. Thank you, and God bless. Subscribe to my channel. Hit this bell to be notified when a new video comes out.